Alright, hello again folks. Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. Just thought I'd do a little follow-up on a previous video I did. I did one on the UMIDIGI back in, August. Well, early August, a couple weeks ago. Got a lot of hits, a lot of interest. But today the kicker is we have one here from an actual hands-on from one of the reviewers I trust. So basically, I'm just kind of doing a commercial for him, all for free. You can get all the specs and stuff off the previous video, which will be linked in the corner up here, the little eye. And I will make sure to link Ben's video there, and they will all be linked in the description below. I will also link to where you can purchase this device. And you're gonna have to wait a while to get a hold of one. Right now, GearBest, you can get it for $169.99. That's really cheap, considering this phone. Or Banggood, $179. It's on pre-order right now. Essentially, so is the GearBest one. They just don't tell you that. But if you look, it'll ship between September 24th and 28th. Let's face it, that's a long wait. If you need a phone sooner, you can check AliExpress and a couple of other places. As a matter of fact, I got some links right here on the UMIDIGI site. I guess I'll link that one too. So there's not a whole lot to tell you here. Ben likes the phone. It does have wireless charging. It does have 4G LTE. It does have global bands. It's also very similar to the Mobile G3 that I like so much. As far as size, it's a 5.86 versus a 5.7 inch. This one though has Android 8. It does have a P23 processor. So you gotta take all that into account. But I suggest watching his video. You're gonna like it. It's good stuff. I will link his video. As I said, I really don't have much else to post. I just wanted to get you guys up to snuff on this phone since there seems to be a lot of interest in it. I don't have that many subscribers, and yet I had 160 views on this particular video, which is pretty rare for me. So make sure to leave your comments below. Like and subscribe if you like this little follow-up. Let me know what you want to see in the future. Hopefully I'll have a smartphone in my hands, a new one, very shortly. We'll see. And maybe I'll get to do a hands-on review. And that's all I got for tonight. So thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.